Very good morning. Very good morning, students. Last class we have explained question number first. Now I want to explain same as question number 2, how to do of self practice 4a. In this question, asking write exponential form, means we have to write in power form. So just you see here 3 power 1 and here also 3 power 1 is there. So 2 times is there, means 3 into 3. If question is given multiplication 2 times means 3 into 3. So you have to write down 3 power 2. So this one is exponent and this one is base. So 2 is called power and 3 is called base. Or you can say 2 is as a exponent. Okay, like that you have to convert it 9 into 9. So how will multiply 9 into 9? So just you count how many numbers are there, how many times are written. So 2 times is written, so just write down here 9 power 2. Okay, similarly 15 into 15 is given, so we have to write down here 15 power 2. So 2 is exponents and 15 is power base. Next one, here minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7, 4 times are given here. So just to count how many times are there. Minus 7 multiply itself 4 times. So we have to write down here minus 7 to the power 4. So 4 is exponents and minus 7 is base. Next one, here 23 is written. It is a 1 times only. Here there is not given any other minus multiplication of 23 into 23. Only 1 times is written, means we can say here nothing written means power 1. Means 23, base is 23 and power is 1, means exponent is 1. Next one, minus 8 into minus 8 into minus 8, here dot 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 8 times, means minus 8 is written 8 times. So we have to convert in power. So I will write here minus 8 to the power 8, because 8 times is written means 8 times multiply is given. Or sometimes question is written here 12 times, 10 times. So we will put here power 12 or 10 like that. Okay. Next one, g is minus x is multiplied 4 times. Just you count here minus x into minus x into minus x into minus x. So we have to write down here minus x to the power 4. So like that, whatever number is given, we will convert in power. So just you count how many times are written, whatever that number. So just we have to put that the power, same the power, whatever. If 4 times is written, then we have to put here power 4. If 5 times is written, then we have to put power. Next question like that. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 up to maybe written 50 times. Okay. So how will we write here power? We will write in power minus 1 to the whole power 50 will come. Means base is minus 1 and power is 50. Like that. We can take more example also. Next one, maybe question is written like that. Minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 up to 20th times. So how will write in power? So just write down, we have to count 20th, means minus 3 is multiplied 20 times. So just we have to put here minus 3 to whole power 20. Next one, minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7 up to 35 times. So we have to put here power minus 7 to whole power 35. Like that you have to convert in power. If variable is written, sometimes just you say this one is variable, this one is variable. So like that more, next one is variable a into a into a into a into a up to 11 times. So here a is multiplied 11 times itself, means we have to write down here a to the power 11. So 11 is exponents and a is base. So like that you have to do in the exercise problem, whatever question is given. Sometimes question is written in fraction also. So you just count how many times same fraction is written, that will be power of the fraction. Okay, that's all.